a rare occasion where I'm showing my face on my channel, and it's only because I am so excited. We have finally done it. We finally hit 2,500 subscribers. I teased a while back, I want to say probably in January, once I had this big influx of subscribers coming from Jazz's channel, that once I hit 2.5K, we were going to be doing another giveaway. So I have set up a fun little thank you to all of you who've been here either since then or from that, whatever the case may be. I wanted to thank you all for being here. My cats are joining us because obviously they are just so thrilled. The last time I did one of these, I was at 1,000 subscribers and I spent a little bit of money. I got a couple of different things, some paints, some embroidery and all that, and I gave it all away to one person. And as I was thinking about it, I thought that since we are now celebrating quite a few more than that, a little more than double what we had last time, I thought it might be nice to actually have 3 giveaway winners for this particular giveaway. I decided to base my different packages or giveaway prizes, I suppose, based off of this survey that I had done, like this one, on my community tab. I asked what you guys liked the most, and overwhelmingly, I saw a lot leaning towards drawing and paper crafting, so I do have 2 pieces that are geared more towards that, and then I got something that was geared towards the second most popular option, which was sculpting, molding, and all that. The first thing that you could possibly win from this giveaway is going to be this little set right here. What this is, and I totally haven't opened it yet because it's yours, not mine, it is a basically get started kit for polymer clay. It comes with a ton of different colors. It has a bunch of tools in here. I want to say that it came with some like earring bits and like things for, you know, to like actually build things out of your clay instead of just decorative sculptures. So there's a lot of different colors in here. A great thing to get started if you've never done it before, or just a nice little thing to add to your collection if you need some specific colors or some extra tools. I thought it looks really cool, and so this is what I decided to get. I've also received some donations that I would like to give away with each of these gifts, so I just kind of picked one at random and put it with the set. This one is going to get a tiny little jewelry kit, or not a kit, I don't know what to call it, I guess a jewelry dish, maybe. It's just plain white, and it's got this like gold background on it, and it's a little ring dish. And to go with it, I decided to grab one of these bracelets, which I've actually made myself, so that you can have something to get started with it. Gift number 2 that I am getting is one a little bit tinier in terms of actual girth, if you will, but it does have some pretty exciting stuff in it. This one, I know I had a couple of suggestions in the comments to go for stationery, and I know because so many people said they liked drawing and paper crafting, I thought this would be a good direction to go. So I decided to get a dotted bullet journal. This is just a small, simple gray, hopefully should be appealing to anyone, very unisex, if you will. And I got these different colored pens, and I have actually given these as gifts to students in the past, and they really, really like them. I think it's 18 different colors, and they're fine liner pens, so that's something to kind of add and draw in with. And I also have this is the little donation gift that I got. It's a little keychain and like card holder set, and it says crafter is gonna craft on it, and I thought that that was kind of fun. And I actually have this, I have this stacked with it, but I am gonna be kind of interspersing these in all of them. I got a big giant set of stickers, and every gift is actually going to be getting a couple of these. And now for gift number 3, what I think the most of you are going to be excited about is going to be a paint kit, or a kind of curated by me paint set. So obviously, first thing you're going to need if you're going to paint is something to paint on. So I have a dual set of a 9x12 canvases that are going to go straight to you, fully packaged, totally untouched, brand spanking new for you to get started with all your amazing artwork. Something to paint with, I got a 20 set of premium paintbrushes. I don't know what their criteria for premium is, but there are 20 of them in there in a nice variety of sizes. I wanted to get a nice mixture so that we could do details and also a little bit of, you know, covering the space, since I did go with a bit larger of a canvas. And of course, the most important part, a paint set. This is a 12 color oil paint set that I just picked up off of Amazon. It comes with
titanium white, lemon yellow, yellow ochre, vermilion, crimson red, hooker's green, lamp black, raw umber, burnt sienna, cobalt blue, ultramarine blue, and viridian.
Hope you caught all that. So there is that, and the little donated gift that I'm going to be throwing in here is a little set of pins. I actually saw these at Hobby Lobby not too long ago in the clearance section, so I guess I see why they were donated. But it is a little set of pins with bears on them, and they say Mama, Papa, and Baby on it for like Mama, Papa, and Baby Bear. Again, if it's not your thing, you could always give it away to somebody else, but you know, I figured I just want to give back, so I am willing to give away some of the things that have been donated. So that is going to be gift number 3. So I definitely learned some things from the last time I did this. The last time, all I said you had to do was comment down below, and I would try to find some way to contact you to let you know that you won. I actually had to go stalking down the winner last time because I replied to the comment and said she won, but I had no way to contact her otherwise, and I just kind of had to throw some guesses out there to see if I could find her Instagram, which luckily I did. In order to avoid that, this time I've actually made a Google form that you are going to fill out. The rules of entry are simple. You are going to fill out the Google form, linked below, agree to all the terms and conditions, and you're going to have to be obviously subscribed and leave a comment below telling me which of these 3 you would most like to receive. That is pretty much the gist. If you're interested in any of the other rules or information that I need to say legally in order to give anything away over the internet, you can see all of that information in the description below. But I am so glad that all of you are here, and I'm so appreciative to every one of you who has stuck it out with me, who has been here from the beginning, or who has just come. I appreciate all of you watching me, and it means so much to me that 2.5k people actually care to be interested in what I'm doing over here. It's really, I never expected to get here, let's just put it that way. So yeah, if you want to be one of the lucky 3, don't forget to fill out that form and leave a comment below to let me know which of these you would prefer the most. So that is all I had to say for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed already, feel free to hit that button below so that you can participate. I would love for you to be one of the lucky winners. So thanks again so much, and I will see you on Sunday for one of our usually scheduled videos. Bye. I hope this works. I'm gonna edit this now.